Getting your EETV Box Mini connected to Wi-Fi is a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. Let's walk through each step to get you streaming quickly and reliably. First, power on your EETV Box Mini and wait for the startup screen to appear. The device features a sleek design with a power button and LED indicators on top. Once the device has started up, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Network, followed by Wi-Fi Setup. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate with your remote control. The device will now scan for available wireless networks in your area. This scanning process typically takes between 30 to 60 seconds, during which the device searches for all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Once the scan is complete, choose your home network from the list of available networks. You'll then need to enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard interface. After entering your password, the TV Box Mini will automatically test the connection speed and verify connectivity. This ensures your network can handle streaming content reliably. The entire setup process takes just 5 to 7 minutes with the latest updates. Make sure your broadband connection has at least 10 megabits per second for HD content or 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. The EETV Box Mini supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, automatically prioritizing 5 GHz for optimal performance. When your EETV Box Mini encounters connection issues, there are several troubleshooting steps and optimization techniques that can restore and improve your Wi-Fi performance. The most common connection problems include incorrect Wi-Fi passwords, weak signal strength, insufficient bandwidth, and incompatible security protocols. Let's address each of these systematically. First, verify your Wi-Fi password is entered correctly. Password errors are the most common cause of connection failures. Check for case sensitivity, extra spaces, and special characters. Once the correct password is entered, the connection should establish successfully, indicated by a solid connection status. Signal strength is critical for stable streaming. Your EETV Box Mini requires a minimum signal strength of -70 decibels milliwatts for reliable operation. Signals stronger than -60 decibels provide optimal performance. To improve signal strength, move your TV Box Mini closer to the router, remove physical obstacles like walls or furniture, and consider switching to the 5 GHz band for better performance. For optimal streaming performance, dedicate 15 to 20 megabits per second of bandwidth specifically to your EETV Box Mini. This ensures smooth 4K streaming even when other devices are using the network. Configure quality of service settings on your router to prioritize streaming traffic and limit bandwidth for less critical devices during peak viewing hours. If standard Wi-Fi setup fails, try the WPS method by pressing the WPS button on your router and selecting the WPS option in your TV Box network settings. This creates an automatic secure connection. Alternatively, use an Ethernet cable for the initial setup. This provides the most stable connection and allows you to configure Wi-Fi settings once the device is properly connected. Ensure your EETV Box Mini is running the latest firmware version 2.8.x, which includes significant improvements to network detection and compatibility with Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6 standards. The EETV Box Mini now offers improved compatibility with popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, including Eero, Netgear Orbi, and ASUS AMesh networks. These systems provide better coverage and automatic optimization. By following these troubleshooting steps and optimization techniques, you can ensure your EETV Box Mini maintains a stable, high-performance Wi-Fi connection for the best streaming experience.